So today we did do a YouTube video.
Kevin, I think you need to go to the doctor.
We need to take you to the emergency room.
Oh, slime.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to B&BTV. I am Bryn, and well, Bryce isn't here for this video, but in his place we do have my friend JW. Come on in.
Hi guys, my name is John.
Today we will be reviewing the paper airplane PowerUP 2.0. So yeah, let's unbox it and see what it is. Instructions, that might be a little helpful. Don't know what that is, but that might be a little helpful. And this will be helpful. And this will be helpful. And then also paper will be helpful.
What is that twirly? Yes, that.
Oh, this is the thing that starts it up.
Okay.
Let's get right into it. You are also going to need 3 AA batteries for this right here.
Yep.
Because this is the charging. Alright guys, so there is 2 spots on the battery charger. This is the battery charger. One says start, as you can see, and one says stop. So I'll show you what start does. And stop stops it.
Now it's time to fold paper airplanes.
Fold it enough. And go between creases and get even. And then fold it and fold these corners right here. And then fold it in. I don't fold it. Okay. Then fold it like that. So for this part, you do want to bring the tip to the middle line right there, and then it's kind of heavy fold it. And then same thing, then the other side. You want it to be about right there, you got it. So yeah, and then you got to fold it up, and the other side is going to match the first side. There we go. Now I got a paper airplane. Make an inch up and down. That way it'll make an elevator. So let's go ahead and do that right now. And you're going to bend these up just a little tad bit. The last thing we do is add a rudder. Like that. Now it's gonna go left or right.
So I'm on this part, then I have to cut it out, but I still don't know where to cut it out.
1 inch right here.
Right here?
Now we've got to add the motor. Okay, so guys, I want to set that aside for a minute. You want to pinch the front part really good, and then you see this slot right there. Right there. You are sorry. So you might want to actually ask an adult. This is my dad right here.
Good.
Yep. Perfect. It should look like this next. So, you will need to make sure it flies before you charge it up. You also might want to do it in grass. So let's do it in the grass.
Mine is done, except I need the motor.
All right,
We only have 1 motor.
let's
Yep.
fly Bryn's first.
I wish I made 2.
Guys, so this is our first test flight. We did follow all the directions, so smash the like button and subscribe to give us good luck. So let's do this.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, that was not so good.
3, 2, 1.
Oh no.
Guys, we think we know the problem. We think we folded it backwards, so we think you want none of this to flap out.
3, 2,
Alright, JW is gonna give it a shot. 3, 2, 1, let's go!
Oh my.
Why is the motor not starting?
I just tasted it.
Okay, let's try
We
it.
have to go up. That kind of flew.
Okay. Let's add some motor behind it.
Taser. Yeah, that's
Charge it.
1, 2, 3.
Try to go over there.
Whoa!
We just flew it like 50 feet.
Guys, that was so awesome!
Go! Okay, that was kind of bad.
Huh? Well, it's okay.
Let's do this.
Oh, it's going. It's going.
Oh no! On top of the house.
Did it just went on top of the house. Oh my gosh, guys. Is it on top of the Is it on top of the house? It's on top of the house. Guys, look. Look, guys. Oh my gosh. It's on top of the house.
It does say you might want to fly this in an open field, so.
Guess we gotta get a ladder. Alright, so as you saw, we got the paper airplane up on the roof. There it is. Oh my gosh.
If it works.
Okay, I'm scared. Yeah!
Let's go. If it
I'm scared, guys. Smash the like button. Subscribe. Oh my gosh, where's it going? Where's it going? Go get it! Go get it! Guys, it literally went from our house to one of our neighbor's house. Here it is. Oh my gosh. And it's still spinning. JW, that was crazy.
It's still
Here, hold this.
Look, it's still spinning.
So guys, it is the next day. So the first day we did do the Nakamura right there. And then the second day we are doing, which is today, we are doing the Kamikaze, the Phantom, and the Invader. So we're gonna go out to a field and test it out because you saw what happened yesterday. And today we've got Bryce with us. Yes. Oh my goodness.
So right now we are making paper airplanes and Dad is like, oh my goodness, I have to fold it again? And Invader, wait, where is it? Which one?
At the bottom.
Invader.
My goodness, if you want to pause the video and make your own, then the instructions are right there. And then I made this cool, I made this cool design one. We will catch you up when we're at the field.
Guys, we made 7 airplanes to bring at the park. And we decorated them. This one's called the Ninja. This one's called the Kamikaze. This one's called the Invader, which my dad made. This one's called the Mantis, which my dad also made. This one I think is the Kamikaze.
Maybe.
And then this one is the Boom Boom. And then this one, I don't know which one that is. Comment down below which one you think will fly best. Now let's go to the park. Whoa! Whoa! Oh my goodness! Man. Wait, where?
Of course, a visit to the park wouldn't be complete without a picnic.
Cheers!
Brand the usual, always getting McDonald's. I like Backyard Burgers because they've got better fries.
I love the taste of water. Oh, that reminds me. I just came up with a new song.
Oh, not this again.
We're gonna make a Vivo of it.
No.
It's called Water, Water, What Are You Doing to Me?
Ladies and gentlemen, we now present Bryn singing
Is this right? What are you doing?
Water, water, what are you doing to me?
This is what I'm doing. I'm going to beat you.
Water, water, what are you doing to me? Guys, like the video.
Okay,
Ninja.
first we're here at the park, and now we're gonna try out mine called Boom Boom. Now, let's clip the motor onto this. Woohoo!
13. This is Branson's first time doing it, so smash the like button, subscribe.
It's good.
Hold this.
Do it.
Oh no.
So now we are trying my design, Ninja.
So
All right,
what, Dad?
So we clip it on. Bryn, this one's not even. This one's too. The
Well,
plane's
let
too
me
long.
see. Are you sure?
The plane's too long. Look at the propeller at the back.
Yeah.
Okay, get the scissors.
Let's
We're cutting it. We had to do a little bit of
Surgery.
and
Yep.
show it
Look,
what
guys, it says Inja now.
No, it says Nin.
Nin.
On the other side, it says Inja.
Oh, Inja. Nin.
Inja.
Okay, well.
That was a little bit okay.
This is Bryn's design here.
Oh, we had to
This one was too
do
long.
a little bit of
also.
surgery, so
I just made a little
Hey
cut.
guys,
oh,
not a bad
that's a dud. So guys, this is an official one. Sorry for the but yeah, we could do some surgery with it. Okay, let's see how.
Yeah, that's not supposed to happen.
I don't want to get my finger chopped off.
Hey guys, so you just saw what happened a few minutes ago. Oopsies.
We are
Can I turn it
trying
up?
the Invader.
Can I charge it up?
Invader.
I like charging
Let's see this. Let's see this.
B&BTV.
B&BTV. Subscribe. Yep. Definitely
Invader.
check it out.
He's already
Oh
got
yeah.
2 kills right
Ooh,
there.
he got 2 kills.
Up and away. Invade this.
Oh, invade that, people.
Go!
Oh my goodness!
Okay.
Wow!
Press
He
move.
does move. Bryn! Oh no!
Invade that, people.
So guys, we had a little accident. It hit Bryn.
Sorry, Bryn.
Sorry, Bryn. Are you okay?
Okay, let's try this one.
But we're trying it. Bryn, I would suggest move back.
Terrible.
Come up! Come up! Come up!
Whoa!
That's the best of them all! In your face, Katie. Done.
Whoa! What?
Okay. Ah! Oh my. Be sure you throw the airplane into the wind. That helps it.
It's gonna get stuck in the tree probably. Nope. Nope.
Oh my gosh. That scared me. No. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I can't see, guys. I can't see. Guys, I'm so sorry.
flying!
I can't see. Oh my gosh. Finally coming back to us.
Oh my goodness! That was awesome!
That,
A bird pooped on our airplane.
guys, wait, show it to us.
Gross.
Phew, man. Oh, it was hot out there, but that was amazing when I did the spit take and it was all the way up in the air, and then that one time when Dad grabbed it, and also all the other bloopers and that horrible stuff that happened, that was pretty funny.
So would you recommend the paper airplane kit?
Yes, definitely. You wanted it on open field, so that's very cool. And
Friend? Do you need the air?
You might notice this from a few videos ago, but I definitely recommend doing this. It's so hot. I love the paper airplane thing though.
the air is cold, but yeah.
We're hot.